Today we are going to do the unboxing of Canon EOS M50 Mark II DSLR camera. This is a compact DSLR camera which is great for recording both horizontal and vertical videos. So let's see what are the content inside this box. And I purchased this in January 2023, so that's on 2nd Jan 2023, and the price at the time I was buying was around 56,990. This is from Amazon. Okay, so let's see the content inside. Okay, so one quick thing I would say before opening the box, make sure that okay, this seal is never broken. Okay, if this is broken, then it means that okay, it has already been opened. So now let me open this. Now let's open this. You just have to pull it outside. Okay, once you pull it outside, you can just open it like this. So this is how it looks, and right at the top you have the manual. Okay, so this is how it looks. Let me just keep it aside, and when you open this section, you have the warranty card. So that's register now to avail 2 years of warranty. So if you register, you can get 2 years of warranty as well with this. Now let me show you each and every item that is inside this box, and let me also compare with my previous Canon EOS 1200D, so that you get to understand how exactly is the difference between this compact camera and the previous one. Okay, so to start with, let me just quickly open the first one, that is the strap. So it comes with the Canon branding and with EOS and Canon branding. So it has a great feel. So this is how it looks, great quality, and it has a great feel as well. Now compared to the previous model that I had, right, so you could see the kind of difference that is there. Okay, so see the size of this. So this is almost less than 50% wider than the previous one. So the reason is, again, this is a compact camera. It is not too heavy compared to the older one that I was using. So this is the strap. Again, a great feel here. Let me just take out the next one. Now next is the battery. So let me just open the battery. So just like any other previous model batteries, so this is how exactly it looks. Okay, now let's compare the size of it. You could see the difference, right? Again, this is a bit compact battery as well. Okay, so that's the battery. Now let's move on to the next thing. So this is the battery charging cable. Okay, so let me just open this. So this is something similar to what we had earlier in the cameras. Let me just open this. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, now let me take out the next one. So this is the charger. Again, it has a very good finish. Again, I think compared to the previous one, this has a lot more great finishing, I would say. The touch of it is great. Again, it indicates whether it's charging, whether it's full. Now how to connect? So you just have to take this and connect this way. Okay, and again the battery connection, let me just show you this things, right? It just goes here, you press and fix it. That's it. Okay, so that's the battery, cable and charger. Now we are coming to the main part. That's the body of this DSLR camera. Well, I'm super excited to open this, so let's see how exactly this looks. Again, they have done the bubble wrapping, and there is also the cover wrapping that is inside. This is how it looks. It has a great finish. So this is a kind of matte and leather kind of finish. So there is a great grip over here, and this is our screen. I'm going to quickly come and explain the things that are there on this, but let me remove the last and the final part. So I think that's the lens. So again, they have done a lot of packing here. Let me just open this. So this is how this looks. It's a 15 by 45 mm lens. So now let's see what are the things that are there on this. Okay, so let me put everything aside and show you that. So this is how it looks at the back, where you have a pretty good screen to see the video or photo that you are going to capture. And the beauty is you can also rotate this. Okay, now when you do this, certainly you can see while recording how exactly the video is coming as well. So that's the beauty of it, and this is one of the biggest feature that is required for any video creator. Okay, and again let me just close this, and for safety purpose they have also put this rubber inside so that it does not directly hit that. And again when you press this, you hear that lock sound as well. Okay, now these are all the controls that are there, play, menu, info, right, zooming and other options that are there. Okay, so this is how it looks at the back. Okay, now let's see at the top. Again they have that EOS M50 Mark II branding here. So this is how it looks at the top. There is an on off button, and there is all this controls for taking photo or video recording and other things. Okay, so to start the video, so this is the button for clicking the photos. Now again I'm going to explain each and every feature in the upcoming video, but this is how it looks at the top. Now let's see at the front. So this is how it looks in the front. Now let's go to the side. So this is where you have the option for connecting the external mic. Let me just open this. It's a 3.5 mm jack that you can connect here. Okay, so that you get a clear voice with help of any external microphone that you want to connect. Now if I come on the other side, you have this HDMI option as well. Let me just open this. So you see you have these ports available. Now with this you can certainly plan, okay, how exactly you can connect your DSLR camera to your system and things like that. Okay, so just so that you understand what kind of ports are available. Okay, so this is the HDMI port that is available. Let me just close this. Again the Wi-Fi symbol here. So right at the bottom, this is how it looks, where you have an option to connect to the tripod, and you have the card and battery opening section. Please note, with this camera you don't get a memory card. Certainly you have to buy one. So I have just purchased a 64 GB memory card. Okay, and let me just open this and show you. You just have to pull it outside. Okay, let me show you. You just press on this and pull outside. That's when it opens. Now let me show you how exactly to insert the memory card. So this is my memory card. Again I have given the link of both the DSLR and the memory card in the description. You can certainly check that. Now if you see right inside, right, it is indicating how exactly you should place your memory card. Okay, so this cross section that you see, right, so it should be exactly like this. Okay, so just put it here, press it, and you hear that sound as well, that it has been locked. Okay, so that's how you exactly put the memory card. Now let me show you how exactly to put the battery, right. So if you see there, you see that connecting points inside, right. You see that 3 dots kind of thing, right, that is going to connect to this. So you take this battery like this and put it and gently press it. Now this gets locked here. Once done, just press and lock it. Now if you are somebody who is going to do Zoom recording or something like that, if you are going to do YouTube stream, in that case you get a dummy kind of battery which you can directly connect to the external power. Now in that case you have a small opening here as well, okay, where the cable is going to come out from this. So I am telling this so that you, if you are going to use in future, you know how to use that as well. So certainly in my upcoming videos I am going to show you that as well, so that you have uninterrupted power supply to your DSLR camera. Okay, now let me show you how exactly to connect the lens to this beautiful camera. Okay, so let me just open this. You just have to rotate, okay, and lift it. Let me place this here and again rotate this, lift it. Now to connect the lens, you see this white dot here and there is one more white dot on the body, right? You just have to take both together like this and rotate till you hear a sound. right? Once you hear the sound, it means it has been logged. Okay. Now say for example, if you want to remove the lens, you just have to press this button. You can't release like this. You just have to press this button and then release it. Okay. If you want to put it again, just like this till you hear the sound. Okay. Now our camera is all set. So this is the beautiful Canon M50 Mark II DSLR camera. Now let me show you by turning on the camera. Let me just open the display here. Let me turn on. It will ask to set the date, time and zone. I'll do that later. For now I'm just going to click on this button. So that's our display screen here. It shows the battery, how much it is there and everything. And you can just click on this red button to turn on the recording. So it's a touch screen. So that's how it looks. Again, a great, fantastic camera. And let me also end this video right now. Now comparing the size of it, let me just turn this off to compare the size with the previous one. Now let me just compare the size of this with the normal DSLR camera, right? So this is my old Canon 1200D. Even if you're going for Canon 200D, right, this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the difference in the size. Okay, and this is how both look in the front, right? You can see this is a lot more compact. It is good to handle. In my upcoming video, I'm going to show you how exactly to record video using this and how to do the complete setup for connecting to laptop and everything. So again, if you have any questions related to this camera, just comment below. And I have given the link of this product in the video description section. You can just click on that link and buy this great compact DSLR camera. So this is the basic video shoot I am doing right now. I have not put up any advanced settings in this. And this is how the video quality you see. In fact, while I am recording this video, I can clearly see the kind of autofocus that it has been doing. Now if I move around, I still see that the camera quality is still retained and the focus is still intact. Again, there are a lot of advanced features and other things that are there. Now once I start learning and implementing that, the video quality is going to be a lot more better as well. So again, in the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how best we can use Canon M50 Mark II DSLR camera. And if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any informative videos explained in the simple way. Thank you. And again, there are a lot of informative videos here which can help you to grow your YouTube channel. Just click on this info link to watch videos on how to grow your YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye for now.